We eat pretty well most days on our fishing trips. What do you think about it, Albert?
I think they're gonna be great.
Gotta take the temperature.
Yeah. Oh, they're thick.
Be good.
Diet meal.
Yes,
I think.
Okay, close my lid.
Yeah, here we are, cooking steak at Harwood.
Yeah. Yeah, we're eating lightly, aren't we, Al?
Oh, very likely.
Guy could starve on these fishing trips.
Oh, yes, very much so.
Thank God we catch lots of fish and we bring other good stuff.
Yeah, cracking.
Well, besides the alcohol.
Yours is more well done than mine.
Well, once you get into it.
Where's the potatoes?
Serve some Uncle Case. You want some potatoes on there, Uncle Case?
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
How many?
What do you think, Case?
Oh,
To meet your standards?
of course. More.
I'll hit you.
There we go.
That's good? Ronnie, you
Yeah, a
good?
little more.
I'm good.
No, good.
That's with the other Ronnie.
Okay.
Jack, you want some potatoes?
Lily's
More?
done.
A little bit.